Curley.
There's 6.
Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Reading, Pennsylvania, Lieutenant Ben Walborn. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Coon Rapids, Minnesota, Lieutenant CJ Simonson.
Would you guys like some earplugs? We have tons.
Earplugs? Do you want earplugs?
As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into the jets, you're witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels also take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment.